guys, this is Addison at Fort Stewart, and today we're going to talk about collapsible stacks. All right, so collapsible stacks are something that Neil put together, and they're basically really, really fancy accordion menus. Okay, so all of these black bar things, these are collapsible stacks. This is my directory page. So that's what these are. They're pretty awesome. I think they're great. Obviously, I kind of went collapsible stack crazy. So the only thing is that you can't edit a stack on the page. You have to add it in the stacks and blocks menu. So let's do a case study. So this is my directory page. So we at Fort Stewart, we're getting a new Panda Express. So I need to add Panda Express to my directory page. So I can't start here. I need to go to my stacks and blocks menu. So first I need to go to my dashboard. Then I go to stacks and blocks. Okay. I've got all of my directory stacks in my directory folder. So I'm going to go there. Okay. Then I'm going to make a new stack. I'm going to call it Panda. Okay. Now, I'm just going to add my text really quick. I'm not going to do all my buttons just for the sake of time in the video and stuff like that. But check out all of your options. So the difference between a stack and an accordion, in an accordion, you can just put text. You can put links to files and that kind of stuff, but it's really just a text block. In a stack is literally a stack of blocks. It's, you know, a bunch of different blocks all in one. So you can basically put a little mini web page inside this accordion menu. So, you know, check out all your options. You have all of the options that you would on a regular web page. So I'm just going to do text for right now, you know, and I'm going to say Panda Express phone, address, their website, and their hours. Okay? And we're just going to pretend like that's what it was. Now, pro tip though, so collapsible stacks are stackable as well. So let me give you an example. Chapels, okay. So my main post chapel and Marn Chapel, these are actually two different stacks, okay? But when I made this collapsible stack, I said, hey, I want chapels to display both main and Marn Chapel. The only thing is that when you tell it to do that, they kind of show as steps. So if you can see my cursor, the main post shows here, and then the Marn will show here, you know, another one will show here. So, pro tip, when you're done with your stack, always add a spacer at the bottom. Because the spacer acts like a horizontal rule, but it doesn't take up like 250 pixels of space like our horizontal rule does right now. I'm sure you guys have played around with that. So, because the horizontal rule is like ginormous. So, okay, so I've got my spacer and I've got my text and all that. So I'm going to publish my changes. So once my changes are published, I'm ready to go back over to my directory. And I'm ready to put Panda Express onto my directory. But yes, don't forget to put your spacers at the bottom of your stacks if you plan on stacking them on top of each other. Actually, let me show you. See, I've got this one showing 3 different stacks. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. Okay, so let me come down to P for Panda. Okay, not the enabler. Go to collapsible stacks, and click and drag. They all also space out themselves nicely, so that's good. Okay. The label is what you want users to see. Okay, so this is what here. Okay, so I want people to see Panda Express new. Okay, and then when I start typing in Panda, there it is. And we wait. There we go. All right. And then the last thing you need to do, I already got one on this page, but you also, whenever you have a collapsible stack on this page, you also need to add the collapsible stacks enabler. Okay. The enabler enables the collapsible stacks to work, but the place you want to put it is somewhere like the footer or the header, somewhere where it's going to be out of the way. You don't want to put it where your text is going to be, because it's going to be in the way. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions about collapsible stacks, I would suggest asking Neil, just because, I mean, he's the creator of them. So yeah, if you guys have any questions. But yeah, if you guys let us know. Collapsible stacks are working out pretty well for me. They look great in mobile. Like I said, the possibilities are really endless. They're not that much work. I know you have to go to another screen, but really it's not that hard when you compare how much work you would have to do to make that look in an accordion. So, all right, guys, that's it for collapsible stacks today. Thanks for tuning in.